Hi, in this video we will learn about comparing two numbers by using Abacus. Okay, as we have seen that any two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. Let us see how we do it using Abacus. Here we have one Abacus. This Abacus is showing number 13, and here we have another Abacus and this is showing number 5. Always remember that whenever we compare two numbers, we start with comparing numbers at the highest place value. So, we will compare numbers at the tens place value first. In 13, we have 1 at the tens place. And in the number 5, we have nothing at the tens place. Or we can say that we have 0 at the tens place. As 1 is bigger than 0, so number 13 is bigger than 5. I will place an open crocodile face towards number 13. In this case, we will not compare numbers at the ones place. We are not going to compare these two numbers at the ones place, because after comparing tens place values, we found the bigger number. Now this is clear that any two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. Now let us compare any two-digit numbers. Let us take two abacuses. On the left hand side we have abacus showing number 34, and on the right hand side we have abacus showing number 43. So as per the rule, we will compare higher place value first. In this case also, we will compare numbers at the tens place. In the first abacus, we have 3 at the tens place, and in the second abacus, we have 4 at the tens place. As 4 is bigger than 3, so 43 is bigger than 34. I will place an open crocodile face towards number 43. Okay. Let us take one more example. In the first abacus there is 67, and in the second abacus there is 66. In this example also we will compare numbers at the tens place first. In the first abacus we have 6 at the tens place, and in the second abacus also we have 6 at the tens place. You can see here 6, and in the second abacus also we have 6. So when we have same numbers at the tens place, then we compare next smaller place value. So in our case, now we will compare numbers at the ones place. In the first abacus it's 7 at the ones place, and in the second abacus it's 6 at the ones place. As you know that 7 is bigger than 6, so number 67 is bigger than 66. I will place an open crocodile face towards number 67. So here 67 is bigger than 66. Okay, hope you understood this concept. I will explain more number examples in my next video. Thanks for watching.